keep up with your mood swings? What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart.
Okay, guys. We are finally home from our little quick local neighborhood CVS haul. Thank y'all so much for riding with me. And if you're just joining, I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. Thank you so much for tapping in. If you find that you are enjoying the positive vibes, please blow dry on the like button, double tap on that notification bell, and hit that subscribe button for the free 99. It doesn't cost you anything to do that. Now, without further ado, let me show you guys what I picked up. Again, this is a quick mini haul. You'll find that on this channel I do lots of mini hauls. I'm not one that likes to go shopping in bulk and buy a whole massive array of things and spend a large amount of money. Most people get paid every 2 weeks, bi-weekly or weekly even. So it's just easier to kind of shop around, budget shop, find what works for you, and get it in those increments. So if you're here for that, let's take a look. So what I picked up in this CVS trip, I'm in the country. I always tell you guys, so I've got my choice of CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, or Dollar General when it comes to affordable household essentials. So you got to kind of play the dozens, right? But what I ended up grabbing was the CVS brand of large trash bags, extra strength. You got 28 30-gallon bags. I want to say it was like $7 and some change. Not bad. 80 sheets of the Snuggle fabric softener. 80 sheets was $3.97. It was regularly $7.97, so I think it was like $4 off. I also picked up my trusty eye drops. Y'all, in the mornings when I be waking up, I don't know what it is about the pollen here is different from the pollen in Washington State. And so I have to use some type of antihistamine eye drop. So if you go to get Visine, it's going to cost you like $11. So the CVS brand, same active ingredients. It's like, I want to say $5.99. Okay. 1 drop each eye in the mornings. I replenished. I grabbed a refill pack because these were on sale. I want to say these were like $7 as well. The little warmers, my husband hates these. He goes around and pulls my warmers out of the socket every day, and he just leans them all kind of ways, and the stuff leaks out. And I'm like, you can't do that, but he thinks it's a fire hazard. And I'm just like, woosah, Pandi. Woosah. So I got a refill of those, okay? Next thing, I did a separate transaction for this because I had a coupon for 30% off of one regular priced item. So I was looking for Seattle's Best Coffee. I love their Pike Place Market dark roast. I like my coffee real dark and strong, like my husband. But they didn't have it, so I had to settle on the Starbucks French roast. So these are the Keurig K-Pods. So there are 32 in here, and it was regularly like $29 and some change. So 30% off of that brung it down to I want to say $21. So not bad, 21 bucks for 32 K-Pods of Starbucks French roast, which is a dark roast, but it has notes of caramel and sweet smoke. So I think I've had this particular flavor once before, and it was okay. And then the last thing I picked up in this haul is my favorite Nature Valley granola bars, y'all. I'm trying to curb those bad habits. So instead of running downstairs at my job to the vending machine and getting some M&Ms or an Almond Joy or Butterfinger or Snickers, I got these Nature Valley granola bars. And the way that I like to eat them is I like to break these up and eat them in my yogurt. I thought I had accidentally paused the video. Sorry. So yeah, these were on sale for $3 as well at CVS. So again, I like to go to the CVS because I can kind of get drugstore items as well as food items as well as coffee. You know, it's like a one-stop shop. I don't have to go all over the place. You know what I'm saying? And then the last thing that I picked up in there, just because I'm a health professional, I like that they are providing educational literature for their customers. So most people aren't familiar, but if you go to the back of any CVS drugstore, they have their 2024 over-the-counter catalog. So this is going to give you, based on the different health plans, what's covered, what's not, and what the OTC equivalents are. So again, you have situations like this where you're not paying for the brand name, you can get the comparable product. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes this week's premiere. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. It is truly a blessing and helps me out a great deal with the way my content is shared here on the YouTube platform. So if you did not remember to do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video for me, share the video, sharing is caring, and if you really enjoy the video, let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.